And good morning, or good afternoon, scholars of room 502. Time for a quick little language arts lesson. And I know we're kind of zooming through these, but don't really have much of a choice. Remember, we took a look at what we're writing about this week, or this unit. It says there are, I can't wait for my glasses to get in. It says, how are the first and third person narrative points of view different? I'm not asking how they're the same, but how they're different. In a brief essay that includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. I'm getting a new lamp too. Answer this response and provide examples illustrating each point of view from Their Boy and Waiting for Stormy. So we haven't finished reading Waiting for Stormy yet, but we did finish Here Boy. And we discussed a little bit about Here Boy came from the first person point of view, from Opal's point of view, how she thought about the dog that was running through the grocery store. And we talked a little bit about how, I can't think of their names, the two characters from Waiting for Stormy. The two sisters, or the sister and brother, how they thought, how they were daydreaming, and how the narrator kind of was all-knowing, knew what they were thinking, decided to share with the reader. So this lesson, we're going to talk about varying the sentence beginnings. And I always say sometimes I catch it in my writing. It kind of sounds repetitive and boring. Kind of when you get that repetitive going, it doesn't flow as nicely. So notice our beginning draft. It says first person point of view, and this is answering the question, is similar in some ways to third person point of view. First person point of view, notice how the sentences start the same way. First person point of view, and then first person point of view shows the readers what the narrator is thinking. Third person point of view, and once again it's starting not with first person but third person point of view, can also share what the characters are thinking through the, boy, my eyes are getting so bad, through the, help me out somebody, I wish I could hear you guys, can you tell me what this is, through the outside narrator. First person and third person point of view both influence how readers find our readers feel about certain characters. So you notice that every sentence in this beginning draft started with first person point of view or third person point of view. Here's the revised beginning. First person point of view is similar in some ways to third person point of view. Now notice this sentence is not starting with first person or third person point of view. Readers learn what the narrator is thinking through first person point of view. A third person narrator similarly can sometimes reveal what the characters are thinking. Because of this, both first person and third person narrators influence how readers feel about the story's characters. So we can see that this revised beginning is much stronger because it's not repetitive. It's not saying the same thing over and over again. It's not starting the sentence with either first person point of view or third person point of view. It's starting the sentences with different words, what makes it flow much nicer. So that's our quick lesson for today. And we're going to finish Waiting for Stormy tomorrow, or not tomorrow, on Monday. And then we'll start writing some more. Okay. Thank you for being such a wonderful group of students. I hope to see you soon.